let us introduce economical and stylish metal heaters from the Ukrainian manufacturer SUNWAY. This is a unique opportunity of economical heating of home, office, or industrial space. Eco-friendly, easy to install, long-lasting. Noiseless, doesn't burn oxygen, doesn't drain air.
They are available both with thermostat and with a switch.
All of these are the benefits of a variety of panels that are in demand in more than 25 countries. SUNWAY SWRE is a budget series of heaters capable to heat an area of up to 20 square meters, setting the temperature from 5 to 35 degrees Celsius. It can be mounted on a wall or turned into a portable device using a mobile support. Stylish and monumental SWG-RA is a heater with a facade that is covered with tempered glass. It will satisfy all the tastes of fans of modern high-tech designs. Staffed with an electric thermostat that changes the panel temperature and the room temperature, the heater is capable of heating up to 9 square meters. The revolutionary 3-in-1 hybrid heater is a productive, safe, and innovative combination of convection, infrared emission, and a ceramic heat exchanger inside, which simultaneously delivers warm air from the bottom up and waves of heat through the space of the room. The hybrid is capable of maintaining temperatures in the room up to 20 square meters per panel. The advantage of the model is an arrangement of the radiator behind the plate, which increases the fire safety and does not spread odors. Industrial SW Pro Heater is an excellent choice for heating boxes, workshops, carpentry, and other technical premises. Goes up on chains to the ceiling or to the ceiling for mounting. It is capable of covering a volume of up to 90 cubic meters. In addition, it is well suited for rooms with high heat losses. SUNWAY is a smart choice for smart people.